Making pancakes.
I see. Who's making pancakes?
Elves?
Do the elves make them, or is Mummy going to have to make them? You got Floofington?
Yeah.
He's loud purring today. Right, do you want to feed him? Good morning. It is the 18th of December. The creepy fish. I haven't opened box of goth for a few days, so we've got one each to open. What one do you want, Mika? 16 or 17?
17.
Right, so Mummy will open number 16 first. What do we think it is?
Don't know. Something glass.
Something glass. No. Do you know what it is?
It's like you
What do you do with this? Show me.
dab it on your cheek.
What, to put makeup on?
Yeah.
It's a beauty blender. It feels like quite a nice squidgy one.
I know what they feel like.
So that's that. Number 17, cheeseburger. Can hear Daddy and Foxy coming down.
Go! Let Elsa's making pancakes.
Pancakes?
But they forgot the milk.
They forgot
Wow, look at that.
Leave him alone.
Cool keyring, a skull keyring.
Gary out.
No, don't pick Gary up. Aria? I haven't opened it for like 3 days, this box of goth.
Okay. Foxy be a bit bop.
Foxy be a bit bop.
No.
Foxy, a yumpy or a good nap?
Look.
I'm going into my armpit.
What is it? Who bum is that? This is orange and clove soy wax melts.
Mine's a waffle.
You forgot any waffle.
It'll make me sneeze.
What do you reckon?
No, I don't really like
What's
Put your rubbish in the bin. So that was day 16, 17 and 18, a box of goth. Gary! You're a menace. Gary is just here.
You have a brioche yet.
Gary's a menace. No, that's my coffee. What do you want, Foxy Man?
Brioche.
Brioche? I don't think you can get one. Ari, do you want to get him a brioche? Foxy, what you got? Bring it in here. Oh, what you got?
Neither one.
Yeah, what is it? Your adder calendar. Are you going to open one? Go on then. Can you do it or do you need help?
Mine.
You need help? Put it on the sofa and you do it.
One eternity later.
One.
Yeah, you got 2 there. Do you want Ari to get them out? Ari, get it out.
One.
What do you say?
Hat a lot.
You want to have lots?
Yeah.
Ari, do you need some help? Come here.
My favorite area. My favorite but one. That one.
Yeah, I'm getting the other one out for you as well. Ari, hold this. Put your advent calendar back. Ari, put it back for you.
My favorite that.
Okay, let him put it back, Ari. Bye-bye, advent calendar. That was a crazy face. You okay, Mika?
Yeah.
We've come on an outing, haven't we? Me and Mika have come to Chroma to pick up a present for someone, haven't we? But we can't say who because it's a surprise.
Yeah.
So we're going to go and get it.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go home.
Yeah.
Hey, me and Mika are back from Chroma. There's not a lot happening today, so I thought I'd just show you the caravan because I can't remember if I've actually shown you it. I bought this August, September time, I think. It was like £3,500. It's a 2001 Swift Challenger. It's a 5-berth, and we're gonna redo some bits, but it's livable now. I've already started painting, but it's just a bit dated, and we want to change one of the beds, but I'll show you. So you come in the door, and all the doors have got these, where's that, just like that, got these little sliders on them, which is good, so you can get some privacy. And then they also have these mesh screens. I've got a battery, but it's also hooked up to the house, so I've got lights and heating. And then this end has got the 2 sofas, all the storage, and then again all the windows have got the blackout blind, and then they've got the thingy, but it is hooked up to power. I think that bulb's gone. So these ones turn into a double bed, like you pull that out and then put them across and it's a bed. But also this pulls out as a table, little spider just hanging there. Got all the curtains, you've got all the storage at the top. There's loads and loads of storage, which is nice. And then you've got the kitchen, which has got a big fridge, which is let me just open it, which is fine, nice and clean, all ready to go. Just not plugged in at the moment. We've got a little chopping board there. You've got a sink under here. You just lift that up and then it's a sink. More windows, more storage. So we've got like all the camping stuff up here. You've got a really big oven and a grill, and then you've got a hob, a gas hob under there. More storage, little cupboards, another heater. All down here is like heaters and stuff as well. You've got 3 skylights. You've got a cupboard. We've just got all of our camping stuff in it. And then this is the back. This is the reason we purchased this one rather than others, because it's got this bit that you can shut all of this, and then it's also got a door here. So we thought it was good because then we can shut that, we can put the kids to bed in there, and then we can still sit up and like watch a film or something. And yeah, so we've got a little sink. This is going to come out. And then it's got this massive bed at the back. This is where Ben's parents are staying for Christmas. And they've got more cupboards at the top. Another little skylight. All the skylights have got the mesh. They've got the blackout one, and then they've got the mesh as well. So if you want to just have it open at the top without the bugs getting in, you can. But yeah, this is where we're going to do some changes. We're going to rip this out. This has all got storage underneath, and there's like really big cupboards and stuff under there, and then your heating and your thermostats here. We're going to rip this out, and we're going to put in a floor bunk, so like a futon on the floor, and then a mid bunk, and then a high bunk. So we'll have the 3 kids in bunk beds at the back here, or some kind of configuration, like either one there with a head there, and then a head there, and then either another one there with a head there. We're not sure yet, but there's going to be 3 bunk beds here. And then this bit is the toilet and the shower. So the shower just needs to be hooked up there. You've got a little cupboard at the top. You've got like the shower curtain, the toilet. All of this works. It's just we haven't bothered hooking it up at the moment because we're on the driveway. And if someone is staying in it and needs a wee, they will just come into the house. But yeah, we're going to take this sink out just because it doesn't make much sense to us to have a sink here when there's a sink there. Like, it's so close. Like, if you come out for a wee, by the time you've stepped out, you're already nearly past the sink, so it makes sense to just be able to wash your hands here. And then we'll probably just turn this into more storage. So yeah, that is the Caravan. The Caravan's name is Mr. Porter. Fox has named it, which is hilarious. But yeah, we really like it. She is, or he is, doing us good so far. I've just been painting in here when Fox has been in here. Why it's only up to a certain point because then he can't reach. But I'm now going to have a go. It's probably a bit cold in here to paint, to be honest. but we're going to try. Ben's got me this cupboard and cabinet paint, so no undercoat needed apparently. This is a primer, but I'm going to try and just do this one without and see what it looks like. It's like an off-white cotton satin, I think it's called. So yeah, I will do a cupboard and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I've painted the door with the cabinet and cupboard paint. I've just done one coat, and I just want to leave that to see how that dries, because I feel like it might be too cold in here, which means I'll have to get the heating on if I want to do any more painting. But I don't want to paint the whole thing and then like that might not work. I might need to do a primer even though it says I don't, so we'll see. We'll leave that to dry. It's now 12 minutes past 11, so we'll leave that to dry, see how that goes, and then I'll do a little bit of a second coat, leave that to dry and see how it is. And if it's all good, then we'll go through and blitz everywhere. I want to peel some of this off, because if I can, what's that? I don't even know what that is. And then I want to get some of those like stick-on tiles, like, you know, like the stick on the pretty tiles. I want to have like a pretty backsplash there, because I think that'll be easy to do. And then eventually we'll redo this as well. Yeah, we're obviously going to redo all of the curtains and stuff, but they're fine as they are. Like, there's nothing wrong with them. They're all in good nick. They do the job, same as this. It's not what I would choose. It's ugly, but it does the job. So we'll leave it for now. I just wanted to paint it just because I feel like it'll brighten it up a lot, because I'm just not the biggest fan of this colour. So I am going to go and wash my brush. Going to get the girls to come in here and decorate for Christmas, because obviously Ben's parents are staying here over Christmas. So we want to put some Christmas lights in. I think I've got some little battery lights somewhere, or we could just plug them in actually. And then maybe get some tinsel up and some little bits just to make it nice, and then I'll show you when we've done that.